kindergartners. Okay, today we are going to get into our Wonders program. We have lots of grammar to do today, and we have a read-aloud book to do today. So we're going to get into Wonders. So you're going to go to your HSDT portal and click on the little McGraw-Hill, the red square button. Then you're going to click on Wonders Grade K, and you're going to click on your Assignments button. Then you have 4 things. This one got cut off a little bit, but you still want to do it. So there's 4 things you're going to do about grammar. I would do it in this order. I would do the video first, and it's this, it'll look just like this. And I would do the song next. Then I would do this grammar activity, okay? Watch the video, listen to the song, so you really learn, because it's all about nouns. So it really teaches you what a noun is, so that when you do the activity, you can do it super well. Let's look at what the activity looks like. Bring it over to this screen right here. Here we go. So when I look over there, I'm looking at my other big monitor that has all the other files on it. So here is what the nouns activity will look like. It's going to, you can have it read it aloud to you, and you choose if, so it says click to hear each word below. Choose a noun that is the same type of noun as the underlined word, be it a person, a place, or a thing. So a teacher works at a school. Teacher, is that a person, a place, or a thing? Good. Teachers are people. We have to find another noun in this list that is a person type of noun. So we have a nurse, a playground, a slide, a boat, a door, and a park. What is the only one on here that is also a person, just like the teacher? A boat? Are boats people? No. What about a playground? Is a playground a person? No. But a nurse is a person. So nurse would be the right answer. You click check. And it says correct, and it says that I did a good job, and then I can go into the next one. Okay? So again, the video, the song, and then the activity. Then you're going to listen to this interactive read aloud. Now you've seen these before, what the interactive read aloud looks like. It pops up this square where you are listening to each scene. As you're listening, I want you to close your eyeballs and imagine what's happening in your head. And try to ask yourself some questions. Like when I see this picture, I immediately am like, dude, what's she making? That looks so delicious. I need to know what that is. What is she making? So in my head, I'm asking questions while I'm listening, and I'm visualizing what I'm listening to while it's reading to me. Okay, so listen to all 4 scenes and visualize what's happening and try to ask yourself some questions in your head. All right, for kindergartners, have a great rest of your day.